Hello everyone, amazing day, amazing day, amazing day. We are here for the disclaimer. I am not a professional. Please watch my videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Alright guys, let's jump into it. We're going to do some work on some Cam Jones FX weekly analysis overview. Let's check out CAD JPY. This is actually a trade I took last week Sunday. I'm actually still in that trade. It's been literally a full 7 days. So the first thing we're going to do is find the overall trend. This is a uptrend. So I feel like with this pair right here, I feel like the market's going to go up. It's not about what you think. It's literally about what do you see. That makes sense. So I see that it's an uptrend and the market's going up, but I'm not sure it's going to go there. So that's when it becomes a waiting game. So remember I told you guys I took this trade last week on Sunday. Show you guys some markups. So this the first line I just put was a trend line that shows me the overall direction. I feel like the overall direction is an uptrend. The next area we're going to look for is support and resistance, SR lines. Let's start at the bottom. See about one there, 2, 3, 4. About 4 areas of support and resistance. Okay, so when I took this trade last week, I took it somewhere around, I took this trade right here. So I caught entry here, and then I took it all the way up, and it had some drawback, came back down. I think I see another SR line. It's possibly one right here, and I landed perfectly on it, where you can see it bounce up. It hit the candles hit this resistance area, came back down, and I feel like it's going to go up. So the next level will probably be do something like this, retest this trend line, or even break past it, retest the bottom, and then come right back up. Come back down, break the next area, retest the next area, and keep going up. So that's how I feel it's going to do. At the end of the day, it's a waiting game, so we all have to wait and to see what the market's going to do before we make a move. We never want to make a move before the market. What we do is we set up our analysis, we see what we like, and then we wait. I want to show you guys where I took entry at, where the price went, and did it stop me out my trade or not. So I'm going to pull up the scale. First I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to pull up my scale. So I took entry somewhere right here. Let's say this level here. I took entry. So when I rolled that up, I took this up to a total of 170 pips. Now if you want to think that into dollars, that's $107. For it to draw back, I had some drawback from this pair, CAD JPY. It came back down at current price it's somewhere at 63 pips. So with this trade I'm in, I'm probably went up to about 100 and some change, about 103, and right now my trade is at $61, which I still feel like it's going to go up. That's the only reason why I still in the trade. Once it hit $106, $103, I could have took profit, got out the trade, but I want to ride this all the way out for the week because I feel like these I feel like this pair is going to do some major moves. It's actually definitely going to, I feel like it's going to reach high highs. We're going to have to see. We have to wait and see. So like I said, the market's going to come down. It's going to bounce up. It's going to come down. May touch that trend line, may not. It could pass by that trend line. It may just shoot up, retest the top, boom, out of here. So if we stay in this trade from price action at now, let's say we take it to the next level high, that'd be about 45 pips. Once we hit our TP on that one, we take it to the next level, and that will be 99 pips. So we can find entry again and take it for another 44 pips, and then after that we can take it to a 97 pips if it goes up higher. So that's CAD JPY. So we'll see what CAD JPY do for the week or the weeks to come. You never know with the market. All we do is watch. So that's CAD JPY. Let's go check out another pair. Give you guys something random. Let's look at USD. Let's look at USD JPY. That's a popular one. So USD JPY. That's what we're looking at. So looking at the overall trend, looks like a downtrend. She's probably trying to break lower lows. So if we think it's a downtrend, we're gonna come over to the toolbar. We're gonna grab our trend line, place one at the top. Let's stretch it all the way out to the bottom. Now that's the trend line. So on the trend line, you can see points of contact. I'll circle these points of contact. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So we have 4 touches on this trend line, and it will be possibly, there may be more. So as we know, this pair is, we don't know, we think this pair is creating lower lows. So let's grab our horizontal line and let's figure out where the market is going to go. Let's find these lower lows. This area right here look like a strong area of support. This area here looks like a strong area of support. And somewhere here looks like an area of support. So I mean, we have an idea that the market's going to go down. We're not sure. If it turns around, it breaks up, and it breaks past previous highs, which is, let's say if current price right here, which I just circled, that red candle comes up, it breaks previous highs at this level here, or if it breaks this level here, we would know that it's probably going to go up further. So it'll probably do something like this, and it's out of here. But right now, we think it's going to go lower. So what we can do is we can scroll down a little further down, and we can look for areas of where the market may go. So if you look over this way, there's a cluster of stuff going on right here. So I'm just going to grab. So this red line going across it goes across the right hand side to where price action is. So this gives an idea. This is price action. If you see price action is actually touching some of these areas here. But before I mark it up for you, let me show you some of these areas. Some of these major areas is touching. So price action is touching here. 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 And we got a few breakthroughs. So there's a breakthrough here, came up, couldn't hold, broke back down. So that's another 2 touches. So this area is a few touches. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 touches in this area, which shows that it's a strong area of support. So that's a strong area of support. That's what current price action is. We're gonna grab our ray. Oh, trying to get me to join. Alright, there's no backing out of this right here. Probably gonna have to log in next time, but there's really no way of getting out of here. I'll reload this page. We may have to do our markups over on USD JPY. We'll see. Yes, we have to mark up again. Okay, cool. So let's mark this up once again. First thing we're going to do is grab our overall trend. We do know our overall trend is a downtrend, or we see our trend is a downtrend. The next area that we can take entry, or a few areas we can take entry, grab a horizontal ray. One area major support. Another area of support. And have about, I see another one there. And we're gonna go back into previous days. You can grab a few more. Let's see one here. See another one about here. So I'm gonna leave that. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 levels of support we created. I'm gonna zoom in. So with a trade like this, so where current price action is where this current price action is this black candle. Once this candle breaks this black line here, I would take entry and let that and ride that down to the next level. Once it hits the next level, it probably will retest, come back down, break down to next level, come back up, retest that, break down to next level, come back up, retest, break down. Let's see how many pips we'll get out of this if we took this trade. So if we took this trade somewhere about here, we take this one level down, that's about 34, 35 pips. And if you put that in dollars, at $35. If we take it to the next level down, that would be $82 or 82 pips. Next level from there would be 101 133 pips. That's a good move. So all you gotta do is wait. So I do feel like, I'm putting my predictions in now, I feel like USD JPY is going in for a downtrend. It's in a downtrend. I feel like it's going to hit lower lows, which will come down here for 136 pips. But I must say, there is a big chance. Let me erase some of this off the screen for you guys. There's a big chance where the market may do something like this. It rallied up, pushed down, came up, pushed back down again. There's a chance that it can push all the way down, to come all the way back up, touch this trend line, to come all the way back down. But you know, it's never a straight down. It has ups and downs, breakthrough, and then it's out of here. There's a chance it can, you know, come right back up, touch this trend line, and come right back down. And that's what kind of what the pattern would do if it's a downtrend. So that's a trade I would take. This is actually a trade I would watch actually today, to see if I can take entry Monday or Tuesday, or maybe today. Sometimes I take my trades on Sunday. It all depends on what I see. Each his own. Let's go to another pair. Let's check out. What about CAD USD? So CAD USD, Canadian dollar versus the United States dollar. Let's see what we're looking at here. So the overall trend, I like to find the overall trend first. Overall trend looks like an uptrend. So we're gonna create our uptrend. Well, first thing we can do is let's create that's our horizontal line. Let's create our uptrend, stretch that out, and with the uptrend, let's see how many points of contact that we had or have. So points of contact that we have for the trend line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This area here, I'm going to do the SR lines. SR lines are support resistance. So this will be, if it breaks through this area, it'll be breaking higher highs. It's going to go somewhere further. So let's look for, we can look for other areas that it may be reaching for or going to. Another area I see it may be reaching for is over in this candle here, this area. If I had to choose one more area, it would be somewhere in this area. So let's check out on the 1 day. Let's see what we have. So with this market here on CAD JPY, I'll be looking for a buy. If I was going to take entry after it broke this resistance line, let's check out how many pips we're making. So if I found entry somewhere here, we'll ride that up, and I would take us to 102 pips. 102 pips, $102. It could be cents, it could be dollars, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. Times 5, 100 and, was that 120? 110. So this is one level. The next level, if it broke to 103, 104, 102 TP, we'll just take profit. And let's say we still in that trade, we take it up further, the next level would be here at 246 pips. See, this is a trade I will watch. I will actually keep my eye on this. I'm actually glad I marked this up. So I will be looking for entry here, and my next exit would be here. And once it reaches this level here, I'll be trying to take re-entry to take it further up to this level, so I can reach that 210 or 20 pips mark. So actually, that's a trade I'll keep my eyes on for this evening, and that's actually a trade I will be throwing to my family and friends and team that's over on Discord that we have. I'm going to mark up one more pair for you guys. Let's check this out. Where is? Let's grab another pair. Let's look into NZD. Let's look into NZD JPY. See what NZD JPY looking like. Okay, NZD JPY, the overall trend, it looks like an uptrend. So we're going to come over to our tool area. We're going to grab the trend line. We're going to push it all the way up to the top as far as we can go. Let's go about right here. Okay, after that, let's look for areas that price may be heading to. So price next level can be somewhere here. There's another level that may be somewhere here, and there's another one maybe here. That price may be headed to. So what I want to do is I want to zoom into where current price is at, which is this last candle. Let's find some support areas. So this is a few 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of strong support. Let's put another one somewhere here for saying that if this breaks out, where's the next level up is going to be. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in. So if I found entry on this trade as NZD JPY, I do feel like it's going up. I would take it if it broke through this line, this blue line here. I would take entry here, and I'll ride that up to the next line up. That would give us about 102 pips. 102 pips. Think about it in dollars. $102. Think about it in cents as well. Once it hit that level, I would be taking all my profits and looking for re-entry, or I'll just stay in profit and take it to the next level up. At the $102, the next level up will be 157 pips. So that could be 157 pips in hours. It could be 100. Let me correct that. It could be 170 pips in minutes. It could be 170 pips in hours. It could be 170 pips in days. It could be 170 pips in weeks. I wouldn't say weeks. I would say more like days. Maybe 170. Maybe 257. Yeah, I mean 257 pips can happen in weeks, but 102 pips could be, that can be days. That don't have to be weeks. It could be a full week. It could be 5 days. It could be 1 day. It could be a few hours. It all depends what the market's gonna do. You know, all we here to do is watch what the market's gonna do. Be patient. Everyone, please be patient with the market. Alright, so that's my weekly analysis. Thank you for joining me. Once again, for the disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch my videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. See you guys. I'll see you guys soon for our next analysis, for our next weekly analysis.